to talk about data science, data professional jobs, anything you guys want. I'm here for it. As long as it relates to data, you are welcome to join. You're welcome to give your input. That's the whole point of a roundtable. There are no agendas, no rules, no nothing. Just come, give your opinion, hear opinions, give feedback, get feedback, whatever you want. I am here for it. So I hope that you're well. I hope that you're doing good. I hope that you're doing something to advance yourself in your career. That's the whole purpose here. To maybe we can create some accountability among each other for that type of advancement. So in that regard, what are you up to? Let me know what you're up to. Let me know what you're doing to help move your career along. I'm looking forward to hearing from you. I know that I have followers from all over the world. Speaking of which, today is kind of a special day for that. I did cross 40,000 followers on Instagram, which is just an amazing number. Amazing number for, having only been doing this for about 18 months now or so. So really grateful for all of the followers on Instagram. Thank you so much for that. I think that's a really special milestone, and definitely looking forward to more milestones. I want to, be at 50K at some point, and certainly 100K at some point. I think that I can hit 100K sometime in 2026. So we'll see, but just really grateful to have all of your support. That definitely doesn't feel like 40,000. I mean, I'm just at home talking into my phone, right? So it doesn't feel like 40,000, but I'm grateful for all of you, and glad that you're following me along in this journey. So let me know what your journey is like. What are you guys doing? What are you up to? What are you excited about? What's got you working in AI? What's got you working in machine learning? What are you coding? You got to have something, guys. If you're sitting there right now saying, oh, I really can't participate because I don't have anything going on, that's a problem. That's a problem. You should view that as a problem. Why don't you have something going on? You should, right? You should have something that's moving you forward. It doesn't have to be a big thing, but you got to be doing something that, is working your brain, working your abilities, developing yourself a little bit. You got to have something out there that's helping you in that regard. So if you are sitting there saying, I have nothing going on, change that. Change that. What are you doing? For me, I'm still continuing my mid-journey exploration. I'm still continuing all of the work I'm putting in here on my streaming and on my content and with my client. It's just going to keep moving forward every day, just chopping a little wood every day. Hey, Manoj is in the chat. Manoj, how are you? Good morning, Sir Dennis. Greetings from Bangalore, India. Good morning to you too, Manoj. So glad to hear from you. Happy Deepawali. What is Deepawali? I know it's Diwali, but what is Deepawali? Is that like the day after or something? I think Diwali was yesterday. So what's Deepawali? Is that the day after? Let me know, Manoj. I'm curious about that. Manoj, thank you so much for being here. I hope everything is good for you in Bangalore. I know that that's a very interesting part of the world, so I hope that you're doing well out there, my friend. So Manoj says festival in India. Yeah, but I thought it was called Diwali, not Deepawali. Like, is that like a post, like the day after celebration or something? Because I thought Diwali was yesterday, no? Or is it today? I thought it was yesterday from what somebody in the chat told me. I really fell asleep on that one. I usually try to do some things. Oh, it's Diwali in North India, but Deepavali in Karnataka. Oh, so same day, or same holiday, I would assume, but they have different names? That's interesting. That's interesting. I'll have to see how that came about. Okay, but thanks for that, Manoj. I hope you're enjoying your holiday. Casual Economist says, yup, that confirms it. I gotta change my notifications. Casual Economist, yeah, I think you said you were going to try to resubscribe or whatever. Let me know what happens. Casual Economist says, be right back. Okay. Manoj says, yes. Okay. So same holiday, same day, different names. Okay. Well, Manoj, I hope you're enjoying that holiday. Hope you get to spend it with friends and family. I know that it's one of the biggest holidays of the year. for India. I used to work in an area and in a company where we had a lot of Indian colleagues, so we would have Diwali celebrations. So I know how much of a big deal it is. So hopefully you're enjoying that out there, Manoj, in your corner of the world. But yeah, so anybody else that's in the chat, this is the Data Roundtable where we can talk about anything related to data. Anything you guys want to talk about, just let me know. It looks like Casual Economist is setting his notifications. I don't know what's going on with my notifications. From my end as a creator, I have very little control over that. That's just a YouTube feature that either works or it doesn't work. I don't know. So, yeah. One thing I have been, guys, I've been very consistent with my social media, right? I'm here. I'm here every day. So the only notification you need is on your watch, I think. Casual Economist says, YouTube hating on my boy. Did you have a live about something controversial? Too much PhD hate? Maybe. Casual Economist, I try to not curse in my live streams or in any of my content. But I think I did do one or two recently, so maybe that's it. I don't know. But I'm not the first channel to have notification problems because I hear it from other creators. Or I'm watching somebody's video who I do follow, they'll say, hey, we hear that notifications are off. Go ahead and resubscribe or whatever. So it's not like rare, right? I have heard of the problem. I have heard of the problem before. So yeah, I don't know what to say, Casual Economist. I'm just here every day. I'm just here every day. And sometimes people show up and sometimes they don't. That's okay, Manoj says, congratulations on reaching 40K followers. Yeah, thanks so much, Manoj. I appreciate that. And it's through support from good people like you that's possible. Thank you so much. But yeah, 40,000 is a big number. So really glad to reach that. But it still feels like an interim step, right? You got to get to 50,000, right? And then you got to get to 100,000. But yeah, thanks so much for that. It's very humbling. It's very intimidating to know that many people are watching my content sometimes. It's very scary almost. But yeah, I'm just going to keep going. Chopping every day. Yep, that's exactly it, Manoj. Yeah, as funny as it sounds, I was thinking about that, about how I've been doing this for about 18 months now. I started in May of 2024. So before you know it, it'll be 2 years. But this is one of the few things in my life that I have been extremely consistent about. I mean, very few days when I don't post. I've live streamed a lot over the last 18 months. Not every day, but a lot. And I didn't live stream early on, right? So yeah, this is one of the most consistent things in my life, right? That I've ever done. I mean, I've had relationships that are shorter than 18 months, right? So yeah, I've just been here every single day growing. And I've never wavered from trying to give you guys the best information that I can, right? That's always been my purpose, to give quality data science information to the world. That's what I've always wanted, right? So I'm happy that I'm able to do that. Grateful for all of you guys who follow me, but just gonna keep on doing the same, right? I'm gonna keep on doing the same of giving the best data science information that I can. I don't like supporting the cheap content that's out there, the idiot influencers that are out there. Casual Economist, maybe that's why, because I keep on saying idiot influencers, because I definitely know I say that a lot. So maybe that's why I have no notifications. But yeah, that's always been the goal from day one, right? And that's always going to be the goal. So yeah, thanks for that shout out, guys. So speaking of 40K, I'm going to hop over to Instagram, see what's going on there. But I appreciate your support, guys. Manoj, happy Deepawali. I think that's how it's pronounced. But until tomorrow, please take care of yourselves, take care of your families, and I will see you then.